अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हो आप सब लोग? होप दैट यू ऑल आर फाइन. So today the topic we learn about the classification of gymnosperms. This is the classification of gymnosperms. Gymnosperms are classified into four classes. First one is Cycadophyta. Their main species is cycads. Next, Ginkgophyta. Only one living species, Ginkgo biloba, is present. Other all species are extinct. Next one is Ctophyta. It includes Cnetum, Phaedra and Welwitschia. Coniferophyta, conifers such as pine and juniper. Now we discuss classification in detail. Cycadophyta, cycads. It has large cones and palm-like leaf. This is the diagram. Main cones and these are leaves, palm-like leaves. Thrived during Mesozoic period. Few species exist today. Cycads thrive in mild climate and are often mistaken by palms because of their large leaves. So some people misguide कर देते हैं कि these are palms. These are not palms. These are cycads. May be pollinated by beetle, that is insect, rather than wind. They face possible extinction and several species are preserved through international conventions. Because of their attractive shape and because of their very good looking, it is considered as an ornamental plant in gardens. Next class is Ginkgophyta. It is also an ornamental tree. It is high tolerance to air pollution, means कि जितनी भी एयर की एलूदी होती है ये इसको अपने अंदर एब्जॉर्ब कर लेते हैं. सो काफ़ी ज़्यादा सिटीज़ में जहाँ पे ट्रैफिक बहुत ज़्यादा होती है वहाँ पे ये वाले प्लांट्स ग्रो करवाए जाते हैं ताकि पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल रहे. Only one living species is present, other all species become extinct. That one is Ginkgo biloba. This is the diagram of Ginkgo biloba and it looks very beautiful. Next one is Ctophyta. It comprises three genera that vary in appearance. First one is Phaedrils. It includes important species Phaedra. Second one is Cnetils. It includes important species Cnetum. And next one is Welwitschia. It includes species Welwitschia. They are tropical. Some live in desert. Now we discuss about the genera in detail. First one is Cnetum. Cnetum species are mostly vine in tropical and subtropical zones. That's the diagram of Cnetum. That's the cone and that's the leaves of the Cnetum. The single species of Welwitschia found in deserts of Namibia and Angola. It may live for many years, up to 2000 years. They mostly live in desert and it lives about 2000 years. It's an important species. Only one genre of this species is present. Others become all extinct. Phaedra. The genus Phaedra is present in dry areas of North America, of southwestern United States and Mexico. Phaedra, small scale-like leaves are the source of compound ephedrine, which is used in medicine, curing blood pressure. Sometimes the patients of asthma also use this medicine. Coniferophyta. Large class, it's the largest class of gymnosperm. It has needle-like leaves. Like you can see that's like needle-like leaves and have cones. Conifers are evergreen because they carry out photosynthesis. Conifers are the dominant form of vegetation in cold and arid environment. ज़्यादातर जो कॉनिफरोफाइटा में स्पीशीज़ होती हैं ये कोल्ड इन्वायरमेंट में प्रेजेंट होती है. जैसे पाकिस्तान में हमारे पास कोयटा हो गया, हिमालयाज हो गए. A few species are deciduous and lost their leaves at all once in a fall. Like the European larch and tamarisk are examples of deciduous conifers. This is the deciduous और आप देख सकते हैं कि इसमें सारे जो leaves हैं इसके वो झड़ रहे हैं. Thank you. If you have any question, please ask me in comments.